Hey people, guess where I am? I'm by the banks of the river Krishna. So it's like I'm here for a, art of living. It's a meditation program, but basically we are going to go and help rural youth, improve their language skills so that they, they find jobs easier. So it's a kind of social service, except that we trainers are also being compensated because it's in the middle of summer and it's a 45-day program. But seriously, people, take a look at this. It's 5:40 in the morning and 5:45 we need to report at a meditation hall. But I thought I'll do this short video because it's like these things help, right, in life. I may not get to shoot the rest of the day, but that is the river Krishna, and I'm in Vijayawada right now, and this place is beautiful. So, on that note, see, take a look. That's the cottage where we are staying. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.